Now third question of exercise 1.1. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature on Wednesday. So first of all, we will write temperature of Srinagar on Monday is -5 degrees Celsius. Drop in temperature, because it is dropped, that means it will be less, right? So drop in temperature is 2 degrees. So exact temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday would be, from Monday it is dropped, so -5 degree, we will put -2 degree because it is dropped. For example, you are having 5 rupees and you have taken out 2 rupees for buying any chocolate or anything. So that means the value is coming out lesser, isn't it? So that's why when there is a drop in temperature or anything, there would be a minus sign there. So we will just take the values -5, -2. You all know that minus would be added. Let's have a quick recall of our previous class. When two numbers are with positive sign, we always add. When two numbers are with negative sign, again we add them. When any one of the integer or number is positive or negative, we always subtract, but the sign of the greater number would be there. Here it is added, but sign would be negative. So 5 plus 2 is 7, but the sign would be minus. So temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is -7 degrees Celsius. Now on Wednesday, there is a rise in temperature. See, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees. So when the temperature rises, its value increases. So rise in temperature 4 degrees. Rising. Please remember that when we are moving on right of the number line from 0, the value is positive and it is increasing. So that way, rise in temperature would be positive. So temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday would be, because from Tuesday's temperature there would be a rise in temperature. So we will put -7 degrees. This is the temperature of Tuesday, and this temperature rose up by 4 degrees. So we will add +4 degrees Celsius in it. So -7 plus 4. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So it would be subtracted. 7 minus 4 is 3. The sign of the greater value will come, because 7 is greater, its sign is minus. So here it will be -3 degrees Celsius. So I hope it is very clear to you all. Now fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the distance between them? So first of all, above the sea level or below the sea level, we need to understand. Suppose sea level is the level of the ground, right? And above the sea level, it's somewhere up in the sky, and below the sea level, that means if we are going to a pond or lake or sea, okay? So here sea level is 0. Above the sea level means greater the value. So imagine the number line from 0 in the number line. Above, that means positive values, and below the sea level, that means on the left side of the number line. So this is the sea level, this is above the sea level, and the submarine is below the sea level. Okay, so here the distance or the height of plane from sea level would be in positive, and submarine, the distance of submarine from the sea level would be negative. Now you have to find the distance between them. That means this to this distance you need to find out. So this is your homework. Do it, try doing it, and if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.